There are two principal differences between topical creams and oral gold collagen. The first is the most obvious. The cream or ointment is applied on the outside of the skin, whereas oral gold collagen is taken as a drink and it reaches the skin from the inside. And that leads to the second difference, which is one of efficacy. The skin is an incredible organ. It protects the inside of the body from all those horrible things that exist in the environment: bacteria, viruses, toxic substances of all kinds. So when you put a cream on the skin, it's actually quite tough for it to get through into the dermis, which is the living area of the skin, which contains all the cells, the blood vessels, the nerves, etc. The molecules in creams and ointments are quite large, and it's very difficult for them to actually do what they hope they are trying to do, which is to affect that dermis. Whereas if you take something internally, then the molecules can get into the bloodstream, and the really effective result of that is that they can go straight to the dermis without having to squeeze through into the basal layer of the skin like the cream and the ointment does. And that means that they can work much more effectively, helping to nourish and to rejuvenate the cells that exist in the dermis itself.